Good morning. It's a bright sunny day here on the Costa Blanca. Today we're going to Oliva Nova Beach. This is very close to Oliva Nova Golf Club. I was planning to do this trip yesterday, but we had a cloudy day and it's not so good for the video. But the sun is out and I'm back on the bike. This is a short trip and we should be there in a few minutes. This road's the 332, direction Oliva. In certain times of the year, the authorities put up warning signs to the danger of the wild boar charging across the road. These are powerful animals and they can do serious damage to cars and bikes. So I'm always on the lookout. I've got one eye either side of the road, if you know what I mean, just in case. Turnings coming up here. you could like and subscribe to this video. It's free and it helps me out a lot. Thanks. Miles of white sandy beaches, safe to swim in, good for the kids. You're not all cramped up all together. It's a really nice beach this, and it's one of my favourites. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you got this far, good on you, and I'll catch you on the next one.